Now dear students, discussion of second set of short answer questions, right? All questions are very important. First question, how do the valency and atomic size of the elements vary while going from left to right along a period in the modern periodic table, right? Here is comparison of valency and atomic size of the elements while going from left to right along a period. Left to right means period and top to bottom it means group, right? And in which table? Modern periodic table. Children, valency is combining capacity of any element. Okay, for example, combining capacity of sodium is 1. Combining capacity of magnesium is 2. It depends upon the number of valence electrons. Right? If one valence electron is present, then combining capacity is 1. Its valence is 1. 2 valence electrons are present, then 2. 3 valence electrons are present, then 3. 4 valence electrons are present, then 4. More than 4, then apply different rule. Right? First of all, I am writing only some selected elements where valency changes from 1 to 4. It means in increasing order. And then in decreasing order from 4 to 1. Right? Now children, here elements are taken from which period? Second period. Right? Lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine. Right? And this is the increasing number of their atomic numbers. Increasing order of their atomic numbers. Right? Now electron configuration of each element 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4. Right? Then for 7 atomic number 2, 5, 2, 6, 2, 7. Right? How many orbits are present in each case? 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. All elements are present in which period? Second period. Second period. Okay children? Now, what is the valency of lithium? 1. Here 1 valence electron is present. Valency of beryllium 2. 2 valence electrons are present. Boron 3. Carbon 4. Right? What is the trend? What is the order of valency across a period? Increasing order. From which to which one? From 1 to 4. Right? Valency across the period first increases from 1 to 4. Then decreases. After 4, then what is the trend? Decreasing trend. Why? In valence shell of nitrogen, 5 valence electrons are present. In outermost shell, how many electrons are present? 5. In oxygen, 6. Fluorine, 7. Then apply this formula. Right? For the determination of valency of any element where more than 4 valence electrons are present, always apply this formula 8 minus the number of valence electrons. Why 8? 8 indicates octet. Maximum 8 electrons are required in the outermost shell. Right? This is a constant value. 8 minus valence electrons is equal to 3. 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. What is the valency of this nitrogen? 3. Oxygen 2, 6. 6 valence electrons are present. 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. Combining tendency of oxygen is 2. Right? Fluorine 2, 7. 8 minus 7 is equal to 1. Its combining capacity or tendency is 1. Right? For example, different compounds of different elements. Lithium chloride, then you can verify this answer is correct or not. Lithium chloride, 1 valency. BeCl2. BeCl2. Valency of Cl is 1. Cl is placed in this group. After fluorine, right, valency of each element in particular group is same. Valency of chlorine is 1. Formula of chloride of barium is BeCl2. What is the tendency? Combining capacity of barium is 2. Compound of boron like BF3. Boron trifluoride. This is the valency of boron. Compound of carbon CH4. 4 valency of carbon. Compound of nitrogen NH3. 3 valency of nitrogen. Compound of oxygen, well-known compound is water, H2O. Combining capacity or tendency of oxygen is 2. Compound of F, HF. Right? And last one, in 18 group, noble elements are placed. After fluorine, the neon, but combining capacity of any noble gas. Element of any noble gas is always 0 because all are inert, all are stable, right? Okay children, so this is the correct answer. First of all, valency increases, then decreases. Answer of this part, comparison of valency. And atomic size. Atomic size always increases down the group due to increase in number of shells, right? Comparison of atomic size, right? This one. And trend is same from left to right. From left to right, atomic size left and to right. Atomic size decreases. Okay, I am writing children same elements from lithium to fluorine. Direction is from left to right. Lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, oxygen, BC, N, first is nitrogen, NOF, OF, right? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In terms of atomic number, last is neon. This shows exceptional behavior. What is the trend? Decreasing size. For example, like this. Okay, children? What is the trend? Decreasing, right? Because all elements are placed in same period, number of shell remains constant, only valence electrons increases, right? From 1 and to 7, right? Then increasing number of valence electrons always decreases atomic size, right? Direction is from left to right or across the period. Size means this radius. This radius is decreasing. Okay? Radius. The circle, this spherical shape, this is showing last shell. Then force of attraction between nucleus and last shell, which decides size of any atom or radius of any atom. Plus sign is showing nucleus, which is positively charged. And then valence electrons are present in valence shell. Okay, children? Now children, answer this one. The electron configuration of element is unknown, is 281. 2881. 2 times 8. 2881. First is state its group number. Group number is 1. Right? Number of valence shell decides group number of any element. What is its group number? First group. Now, and period number. This number of orbits 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? Its period number is 4. Okay, children? Same table, modern periodic table. Second part, state whether this element is a metal or a non-metal. Give reason for this verification, for the justification of your answer. Right? This element is metal. This element is metal. Which elements are metallic in nature? Where 1, 2 or 3 valence electrons are present. Right? 1 electron like in case of lithium, sodium. This element also. This is the electron configuration of potassium. For 90 electrons, this is a distribution of electrons and this element is potassium element. Right? Now, for 2 valence electrons, magnesium. 12 atomic number 2, 8, 2. What are isotopes? Give an example. Third question. Isotopes. Atoms of same element having same atomic number and different atomic mass, right? And which resemble in chemical properties. All are similar in chemical properties are called isotopes. Okay children? Which property is same atomic number and which property is different atomic mass? Give an example. For example, hydrogen. Right? First isotope of hydrogen is 1H1, protium. Second is 1H2, deuterium. Right? This deuterium is also known as heavy hydrogen. And third one is tritium, 1H3. All are isotopes of same element and element is hydrogen. Right? Having same atomic number and different atomic mass are called isotopes. Right? Like isotopes of carbon, carbon 12, carbon 13, carbon 14, because atomic number is constant. Isotopes of uranium 235 and 237. Right? In this isotope, this is unstable, this is stable isotope. Okay children?